In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change Instagram story from closed friends to everyone. So if you want to post your story and you want everyone to see it, you don't want only your closed friends to see that. You want everyone to see your story. Now here is how you can do that, guys. To change that, you want to click three little lines in the top right, and then you want to click close friends, and here you can select the people that you want as close friends. This will make sense in a few seconds. Just edit the list of these people, like edit the list here, like add people that you want as your closed friends. Okay, now after you do that, click done at the very bottom. Now next, if you want next time you want to post a story, just let me show you an example. I'm going to post, for example, this story. Now, instead of clicking closed friends, or instead of clicking here, this arrow, you have to click on your story, okay? Click on your story at the very bottom right. Don't click on these two, click your story, and you will be able to change the story from closed friends to everyone. But in case you change your mind on your next story, you want only your closed friends to see it, you just wanna next time you want to post it, click on closed friends, and the story will be shared only to your closed friends.
If you are like me, you like to hide the following list on Instagram so that people are not going to see the people that you are following. Now, what you want to do, guys, to do that, the first thing, let me check here. Like one of my friends, whenever I go to their following list, I only see like a few followers. Even though they are following 70 people, I only see like 2 followers, 3 followers. Like I don't see all the list. So these people are doing something on their Instagram account, and that's exactly what I am going to teach you in this video. Now, what you want to do, guys, to do that, now you want to click your profile at the very bottom right here, and then after that you want to click 3 lines in the top right, and you want to click on settings. After you click on settings, you want to click on privacy. Now a lot of people are going to say, okay, I don't want to make my account private, but it will make sense in a few seconds. These people, they made their account private. People that hide, they made their account private, and even if you are accepted to be in their following list, they accepted you, still you can't see the following list. Like even friends that you have right now, if you make your account private and follow the steps that I'm about to show you right now, you won't be able to see your following list, even your friends that you have on your Instagram account. Now you want to turn this private account. Now, as you can see here, guys, if you want a specific friend to not be able to see your following list, you want to click on that profile of the friend. For example, I don't want this friend to see my following list. It's very easy and simple. You want to click 3 little dots in the top right, and then you want to click restrict this. Okay, in the top it will say restrict. You don't have to block them, by the way. Like you can just click on restrict and then click dismiss, and that's all what you need to do, guys. So it's very simple and easy, even on people that you have on your I am gonna show you how to see first message on Instagram without scrolling. A lot of people have sent messages like 4 years ago or 3 years ago, and there is no way they can skip scrolling. Like it will take forever to find the first message. So that's why I made this video, to help you guys fix this problem. What you want to do, guys, you want to open your Instagram, and after that you want to click the messages. You want to click where you can see the messages. Now I am going to select, for example, this person. Now if I want to see the first message this person sent me or I sent, I can't just keep scrolling like this because it will take forever. So what you can do, guys, you want to click the battery icon in the top. Okay, you want to keep clicking the battery in the top right. Okay, you want to click. Now recording the video, that's why it doesn't work. So what you want to do, guys, you want to keep clicking where it says here 35% battery, you want to keep clicking that icon. You want to keep clicking that battery sticker or whatever they call it, or just keep clicking it in the top right. You want to keep clicking it and keep clicking it a few times, and you will be able to see the first message on Instagram. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Keep in mind that you have to do it multiple times if you have like a lot of messages. Guys, for this, you can easily unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. This is, guys, a new update. Just follow the steps in this video and you will be able to unfollow everyone on Instagram. So follow the steps, guys, and you will be able, like I said, to unfollow everyone on Instagram. Now, I'm going to click my profile picture at the very bottom right. And as you can see, I only follow 12 people. I used to follow like 3,000 people on Instagram. That's a lot. And whenever I go to my following list, I click on my following list. I always try to unfollow, like I always click on following. Okay, following. I click on that and it takes forever. Okay, it takes forever. I can just unfollow like 3,000 people. It will take me at least one day. So the solution, guys, for this is to click three little lions in the top right. Click three little lines in the top right. After that, guys, you want to click on settings. So like I said, guys, don't waste time downloading third-party apps because they are going to get your account banned. So just don't waste your time. Here is a solution, guys, I found to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Okay, now what you want to do, guys, you want to just click on help. As you can see here, it says here help. Now you want to click, guys, on report a problem in the top. Now click on report a problem without shaking. Now after that, guys, you want to click on don't include and continue at the very bottom. Now here you have to tell Instagram that you want to can you unfollow everyone on my account? I don't want to follow anyone anymore. Okay, just type here, can you unfollow everyone on my Instagram account? I don't want to follow anyone. I need help. So you just want to type here, I need to like explain to them. You don't have to type the same thing. You can just explain to Instagram that I want to unfollow everyone at once. Like everyone at once. I can't do that one by one because it will take me a long time. So like me, I just typed here, how can you unfollow everyone on my Instagram account? I don't want to follow anyone. I need help about this. Okay, so that's what you need to do, guys. And then after that, you want to click send in the top, guys. I understand how you feel about this. You have like thousands of people and you just want to unfollow everyone, but it takes forever. So here is, guys, a solution. Just follow the steps that I showed you in this video and you will be able to unfollow everyone on Instagram. Now after that, guys, you want to click on send in the top and you have to wait 24 hours and then you will get back to you guys with a solution. And make sure to check your inbox and you will send you a message on how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram. So make sure to drop a like, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a like and come back to this video within 24 hours and let us know in the comments, guys, if it worked. Okay, I would highly appreciate that. Let me know what phone you have in the comments. I will reply to you guys because there are a lot of tips on how you can unfollow everyone on TikTok. It depends on your iPhone or Android phone. Just let me know what